Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Toyota Tundra hybrid versus non-hybrid models. We'll explore the key differences between these powerful trucks to help you decide which one best fits your needs. We'll look at performance, fuel economy, and overall value. Understanding these aspects is crucial for making an informed choice about your next Tundra. Let's dive in and see what each option offers. When it comes to power, the hybrid Tundra typically delivers more horsepower and torque, offering a noticeable boost. This translates to quicker acceleration and a more responsive feel. For fuel economy, the hybrid shines, particularly in city driving, where its electric motor assists frequently. The non-hybrid, however, still provides robust and dependable performance, perfect for demanding tasks without the added complexity. The initial cost is a significant factor, with hybrid Tundras generally having a higher sticker price. However, potential long-term fuel savings from the hybrid's better efficiency could offset this over time. Both models boast impressive towing and payload capabilities, often exceeding 10,000 pounds for towing, making them highly capable workhorses. Your specific needs for hauling and budget will guide your decision here. Choosing between the hybrid and non-hybrid Tundra depends on your priorities. If maximum power, city fuel efficiency, and cutting-edge technology are key, the hybrid is an excellent choice. If you prefer a lower initial cost, proven reliability, and strong performance without the hybrid premium, the non-hybrid is ideal. Whichever you choose, you're getting a capable truck. Also, make sure to check the description for a link to some great leak-proof meal prep containers and other deals.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.